Hello everyone. Welcome to this YouTube channel. IULI YouTube channel or something. Okay. Anyway, um, yes. Welcome to the YouTube channel and welcome also to my video. First of all, thank you for having me, and now let me introduce myself. My name is Prasasta Andaru. I come from International Business Administration's batch 2019. And before I get this video started, just before I get this started, I would like to apologize on behalf of myself, and also I'm apologizing for the fact that I am completely 100% new to this type of thing, making videos on YouTube and everything. This is really new for me, so I am sorry if I sound a bit nervous and my talking is all over the place. But anyway, let's not gloss over that. Let's get this started. So for this project, I will be talking about one specific dish that I have personally chosen from one city in Indonesia, more specifically from Java, because I am Javanese. Um, the dish I have chosen is tahu pong, which looks something like this. Yes, tahu pong is basically just a simply fried tofu with nothing inside. So usually if people cook tofu, they either put something in the tofu, either whether it's vegetables or whether it's meat or anything. But tahu pong doesn't have anything on the inside. It's just tofu dipped into flour or breadcrumbs to make it more crispy, then just frying it, and that's it. Like that's as simple as it gets. Right, so after this, on the next part of the video segment, I will be talking about, I will also be getting over some different types of dishes, some various ways in order for you to be able to cook tofu, whether that's whether that's something savory or whether that's something soupy, berkuah we call it in Indonesian. Yeah, I'll be getting over that in the next part of the video, on the next segment, which will then be continued by a conclusion from myself afterwards. Right, so in the meantime, please enjoy this very short segment about the food, and yeah, enjoy. Alright, so this is the map of Indonesia. As you can see, there are lots and lots of islands listed on the map. But out of all those islands, I have specifically chosen the island of Java. Yes, because simply I am Javanese and that I think there are lots to explore from Java, and I have specifically chosen the city of Semarang, located in central Java. And yes, this is just one image of the very much iconic, very famous Simpang Lima. Right, without wasting any further time, let's go straight into the video talking about tofu. Yes, very common, very well known, can be served and can be cooked in many different ways, but you can find this mostly in gorengan stalls, or we call it fries in English. Yes, this is very common in Indonesia. You can find this almost everywhere, every corner. But let's say you want something that has it's filling. Of course, you can have ketoprak, for example, or this gado-gado. Quite similar, but they are coated with peanut sauce, which adds the rich taste of the ingredients mixed with the tofu itself. What if you want something that has soup in it? Of course, you can eat something like semur tahu, semur tempe, or you can also eat something like this, I mean, or this. Yes, opor. Opor is it's a creamy. It has a creamy texture. It's salty mostly. It's a very common dish. We eat it in Lebaran or Idul Fitri. All right, and those are the some of the most common dishes. The example of the dishes in which you can try to cook with tofu, and I have tried some of those dishes, like opor, samor. I have tried all those dishes because I am Japanese, and that dish is really common basically, and that is basically a homemade dish. Usually, we cook that at home. We eat that at home with our family, and I really like the taste that blends in between the tofu and those two dishes, the opor and the samur. I think tofu just goes really well with those dishes. But anyway, you can cook tofu in many other ways, like I explained on the video, or you can try to, I don't know, do some experiments and try to cook tofu in your own way. Maybe if you have a new recipe, if you can come up with another recipe, a new recipe made by yourself and thought by yourself, maybe I don't know, maybe that recipe could be spread all over your neighborhood, all over your city, all over the world, maybe. Yeah, I mean, cooking is basically art. Cooking is basically art. It's all about trying something. It's all about trying and failing and trying and failing. And yeah, I guess that is it for my video. Again, I'm sorry if I sound quite nervous and my talking is all over the place because just simply because I'm not used to this. Yeah. Anyway, once again, thank you for tuning in to my video and to all of the videos down below. Don't forget to check them out. And for our YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon down below so that if IULI HTM uh, launches a new video, you won't miss it. You just won't. Right. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Peace.